through software instead of through these small practice accounting firms, I think there's a massive change occurring. But, if you look at the recent Stripe data, I mean, this market's just on fire. It's 1.7 trillion that these folks are spending in the U.S. alone.
So, Hooman, as we look at these solopreneurs and these self-employed, how should we then be thinking about the statistics that you just gave in relation to the traditional employment data that we're receiving? Because these solopreneurs are not factored into that data, are they?
So they would be counting as non-employer payroll. And I think that's the data set that is going to become increasingly more important to watch. When you even look at unemployment data, for example, and I think this has become more popular in the zeitgeist, it doesn't count people who have opted out of work, right? And so I think the way we've been just looking at employment generally is anachronistic, whether it be from solopreneurs to unemployment. But AI has been this massive force of creative destruction that we've seen right now, because younger people in particular, these Gen Z folks, they don't trust that Facebook or Google are the safe places to work. So they're off on their own, again, being creators, being now, vibe coding software. And often some people are forced into that market, right, through the layoffs. So it's just been massive. We've never seen a larger growth rate, I think, in our business with respect to this category.
If you're disrupting the accounting industry through AI, I'm wondering, Hooman, what is stopping the Deloittes, the KPMGs, the EYs of the world, basically just doing what you're doing because they already have the loyalty, the clientele, and basically automating the bank reconciliation, as you're saying, cutting down the hours of manual tax return preparation, and improving gross margins, etc., and just doing exactly what you're doing. What is it about what you're trying to do that's different from, say, the big
Google up
could be doing
non-stop.
themselves?
It's a great question. So I think they should be.
Subscribe, give like to this video.
So when you look at accounting as an industry in our marketplace, everyone is going after disrupting, including the incumbents. So you mentioned the big four. There's a number of venture capitalists and private equity firms that are trying to actually roll up, i.e. buy a number of these traditional accounting firms, build a book of business, and then leverage AI to make the margin better.
Take a look. What do you think? Does it need to close this gap?
The big four themselves are trying to go ahead and do a lot of process engineering and change.
Probably.
The clients they serve, the businesses they serve,
Yeah, subscribe, give like
and the use
to this
cases
video.
are quite different. For example, audit.
Let's see what happens.
That's a huge practice area for KPMG. That's not something that a really
Accounting is very easy with
AI.
AI. Yes, let's discuss.
When we look at our product and offering, it has to be intrinsically more consumer. It has to be easier to use than anything that those folks are used to doing and designing. And so how do you democratize something that was traditionally, very, very big businesses had, enterprises had, and bring it to a package that is $349 a month, something that's self-serve?
Subscribe, give like to this video.
Moreover,
Let's see our recommendation. It went up since last week. DRAM.
Bob, who uses Google to search.
And whenever we have these conversations about AI disruption or AI replacing something,
did you make money? Put in comments. Chat is open.
This idea that if AI is replacing accounting work, people immediately think about
chat is open.
losses. Is that the way that we should
subscribe,
be
give like to this video.
This here? I mean, I keep thinking about Kevin Warsh using the Uber example of the Uber drivers being created and saying that he believes that the jobs will be greater, prosperity will be stronger. Where do you fall in that narrative?
I think we have to take a more sophisticated view on it. I don't think its jobs are going to get, destroyed or created in total. I think that's a tough mental model. I think it's all about span of time and looking at industries.
You see oil is down today, Bitcoin.
I think some traditional functions, for example, like a bookkeeper, are going to get commoditized. We right now have automated into 94% categorization. That's one of the biggest tasks that a bookkeeper does. We've automated reconciliation, right? And so those pieces of the functional stack are no longer as valuable. Now, does that mean that that person will not have a job? Maybe, actually, if they don't go up the stack, if they don't go work in higher level.
Subscribe, give like to this video. We go live many times a day and discuss how you can make money, investments,
spend a lot of time on it. We want to be more advisory. We want to spend time
lending,
doing retirement planning. We want to do all these things with the business owner that
real estate.
Classically have time for.
Put in comments where do you work and how much money you're making.
You have to look at it over a span of time. And I think it's going to be far harder to predict. I was an early investor in Uber, and I could tell you more about the driving stuff, but some areas are going to be a faster change, and some areas are going to be slower. In aggregate, I think we still are going to be in a net productivity boom in the near term, though.
Hooman, we've completely run out of time. We'll have to pick your brains at another time. Really fascinating chat, and we hope to do it again soon. That is Hooman Ratva there, co-founder and CEO of Collective. Appreciate your time. Up next, we will close out the show with our final takeaways and what we're watching
Let's see.
for tomorrow. Market on close.
DRM is up. Did you make money? Did you invest? Next, Apple. Yes, put in comments. Did you invest in Apple? And how much money did you make? Use only official brokerage. Next question, how to donate? Yes, you can use Cash App or Venmo if you'd like to donate. It helps our channel grow. Yes, do it. Subscribe, give like. Apple is up, non-stop up. Put in comments what country are you from? Do you do investments? What stock did you invest? How much money did you make? Put in comments all this information. You see, Apple is up and not non-stop going up, despite the price increase. Take a look right now, again, one all-time high. I see, yes. Put in comments. What stocks did you buy? How much money did you make on these stocks? And use only official brokerage. If you're from USA, see links. Schwab, Fidelity, no fake brokerage. Okay, Palantir is going up as well. Let's see another one. Robinhood. Yes, and Trump said today they use it for child's account. You see, we recommended long time ago. Did you make money? You can double your money. You see here, 60 went up. Next question, Netflix. Netflix was downtrend. Yes, 76. Not so good. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video, and don't forget subscribe. Yes, put question in comments, especially what stocks did you invest. Put it, okay? And how much money did you make? Maybe you can provide recommendation for other people who want to invest as well. Yes, it's very easy. Take a look. No, Netflix is down. If you want to make money, take a look. Soho. Take a look. It's up. And we recommended to buy it here a long time ago when it was 43 right now, and then sold 300. How many? 5x? What do you think? Is it good growth? Yes, put in comments. In chat. Chat is open. Did you invest? Did you make money? Put there your information.
Higher today, but it is still more than 50% off of where
See
it's
Klarna.
going to debut in September. Also, 2 weeks ago, we had Megan Welch from BGL on to discuss M&A activity in the aerospace and defense sector, and she's said to be on the lookout for more big deals in the near term. Well, she was right, because today we learned that Lockheed Martin is expanding its push into undersea warfare, agreeing to acquire naval defense company Ultra Maritime for roughly $3.45 billion.
It was down in April. Right now it's again up. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video. See you next video.
Autonomous maritime